Cam on the beat.
Hello you guys. So I'm back with another video, and today's video is gonna be me showing y'all my room. I am in the army, so I stay in barracks. If you're like me and you're single and a specialist, then you're gonna be in the barracks. So I'm just gonna show y'all what that looks like and what they got us living like up in here. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do, so stay tuned. Okay, so once you walk in the door, this is the view. I know it's not the prettiest thing, but you know, this is just a bunch of little policies that they have for us to follow, and a little cleaning roster. The floors look real dirty and nasty, but I swear our mops, they just look like that. And this is me. Just got some chill, relaxed clothes on today. Nothing major, nothing too fancy. I'll be chilling on Sundays, y'all. But yeah, I got my brooms and my mops. Okay, and I know y'all gonna wonder why I got so many mops and brooms, but I've had like three roommates, and every time they left their mops and brooms, so that's why I have so many. You have the refrigerator and the microwave, and this comes attached to the refrigerator, so I couldn't even like take it off or anything. Show y'all what I got up in here. This box is old. I've just been too lazy to throw it out, but got some fruit, some Ensure. I'm trying to gain some weight, y'all. I'm on my weight gain journey, so got some Ensure. Not much in here. And then I have some frozen vegetables and stuff. So here is our little kitchen area. Tiny little sink. Me again. I don't even have a stove. Apparently they think we're gonna burn something down if we have a stove. And then I just got my dishes all nice and clean, you know what I'm saying? Can't be leaving dirty dishes up in the sink. Got my blender. Then the cabinet, just got some condiments up there. Nothing major. And then you turn and there's the bathroom. And the bathroom isn't pretty either, but I tried to make it look decent. Try to give y'all a view of everything all together. There's the top of my head because the mirror is so high and I'm short, so I can't even really see. Then stuff, I don't really use this stuff in here. This is just makeup remover and stuff, and my face wash, which I do use. Some lotion that I don't use. I use lotion, but I just don't use that one. Hair dryer, some more face wash, mouthwash, toothbrush, toothpaste, all that good stuff. And show y'all the shower, which also is not that pretty. And this is stained, y'all. That's rust. No matter how much you clean it, it's not gonna come off. It's a really tiny room. And then you have my side of the room, which I tried to make look decent. A little decoration. Over here you got my little bookshelf. Got the heater because they keep it at freaking below 0 degrees in here. Books. This used to be my favorite. Some more books down there, and some snow globes and stuff, just little stuff. And then up here I just got my camera, some pictures. I ain't gonna go through these, all of them. They're, you know, just a little sneak peek. And then here I just keep my all of my cords because I don't want them just hanging on the floor where I'd be sleeping. And then these are just some pictures of stuff that I like. Yeah, some of it is just for aesthetic purposes, just stuff I thought it was cute. For instance, this is my favorite picture of me. I don't know why, I just like the way I look. Well, you can't even see my face, but I do. And this is from Heeeeey Dango. Comment if you love that show or watch it or even know what it is. And this is the anime of Heeeeey Dango, and that's the live action. Let me know if y'all watch Heeeeey Dango or if you've seen Boys Over Flowers, the Korean version, or Meteor Gardens, the Taiwanese version. I love all of them. I can't really say what's my favorite. Let me know what's your favorite. I'm talking all fast. I'm out of breath. Okay, I'm trying to make this quick because I know y'all don't like watching long videos. But yeah, and I have a bunch of pictures of some pugs because I really wanted a pug for the longest. Then that I love to read. And also comment if you know what this is. This is from one of my favorite British shows. And then I just have this picture of Korea because I really want to go. This I made out of a picture frame, and I took some chalkboard stuff and put it on there and made that. Got a nice little pink carpet here. And these are just some storage drawers. I keep my army uniforms and workout stuff. This drawer, then like my night clothes and lounge clothes in this one, and then clothes that I wear out in these two, but I don't want to pull that out. And then I got my TV. Shout out to my mama for giving me hers because she got a bigger one because I used to have a real little small one. And then here I just got my laptops, and here I just keep my uniform. When I get off work, I just take it off and throw it in that chair. And then these are just some books from some army classes, training stuff that I had to go to. Then I just got my movies, then my keys and cards and stuff. And these are my awards. Cause your girl got promoted. This is when I got promoted to PFC, and this is when I got promoted to specialist. Yay. And then me again. Dang, I'm just trying to be seen in this camera. Okay. And then here I just have some shoes. See what's these ones? My all white Air Max. Okay. But yeah, there's just some Nikes. And then here is my closet. At least it's a walk-in closet. The room is small, but at least we got a walk-in closet. I got a lot of stuff, y'all. I know it looks messy and crowded, and it is crowded because I got a lot of stuff, but it's clean. Trust. I just cleaned it. See if y'all can see out this window. Yeah, it's the basketball court over there. This is kind of like a little snack drawer ish. I already know what this is. My hair products drawer. Then here I just got some wigs, stuff like that. My scale and hot plate is down there, which I'm also not supposed to have, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do. And my uniforms, the old ones, I finally bought the new one. This is my wig. And these are my shoes, the ones that I actually kind of wear. My Vans I wear all the time. Then I just have some clothes, winter clothes, dresses, jeans. I kind of tried to have some little organization. Random stuff, paperwork, iron, stuff like that. And some boots. Some more hair care stuff. Some makeup, jewelry, another little snack corner kinda. Here I got deodorant, all that good smell good stuff. Some Victoria's Secret sprays, exfoliators. Yep. And then here I just keep like hygiene stuff. medicine. Then here, more hair stuff, just like flat irons and bobby pins and my scarves. And in here, just military stuff. I keep like my beret and my eye pro and things like that. And then here's more army stuff. My PT belt, extra belt, my fleece cap. Yeah, okay, so in my laundry basket, and that is all for my closet. And this is, if I had a roommate, this would be their side of the room. I guess y'all can see what it looks like before you decorate it. See how plain and boring and ugh it looks without being with no decorations. Okay, so now I showed y'all inside and what we working with. I'm gonna go show y'all outside and the laundry room. So just grab the jackets, my keys. Okay, so I'm about to take y'all outside. It's probably dark out there. I know the sun done set already, but I'm gonna take y'all anyways. All right, let's go. Hopefully don't nobody be thinking I'm weird for carrying the camera, but who cares, right? Oh, it's cold. Okay, so this is what the outside looks like. So it's kind of like apartments, just uglier. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all the back. It's 3 stories. Oh, the sky. Oh god, I just saw somebody walking by. Show y'all the back. Okay. Oh, it looks so pretty on camera. The sky looks so nice. Some more buildings. That's where I work. Well, I don't work in the hospital. Most people here, well, most people that stay in these barracks are with the medical unit and they work at the hospital. But my job, I'm attached to the hospital, so I'm in the unit with the hospital, which is why I stay in these barracks. But I actually work in another building. So this is the front. The parking lot is up there. All the cars. This is the building from the front. Okay. Show y'all the laundry room. You get the mailboxes you don't use. Have a little room. Oh hey! I'm just recording. What the laundry room looks like. It's dirty. We got a cleaning schedule to clean this up, but clearly whoever was supposed to do it today didn't do their job. But we also got a little activity room. Nobody's in here. I only hung out in here once. Me and a couple, some of my co-workers got drunk in here one day. Yes. Okay. So that was the, I don't know if y'all can see me, but that was the laundry room and the day room.